whare to us in our whānau means longevity, means security through the generations, means that we can be safe at home with our whānau and our whare on our whenua, means that we can have space to grow together.
The scholarship is a fantastic opportunity for me to continue my studies with the support of my iwi behind me, to be able to reach my goals and our shared goals.
You know, it means a lot for my mahi to be etched in such a permanent way, because my son's going to be walking these streets for the rest of his life, and for him to be able to see that, like, his papa done this mahi means a lot. I hope that you can feel proud seeing this mahi, because these are your stories, these are your history, and I'm just lucky enough to be the one that gets to put that into a story.
Changes coming. I have traveled through the many layers of darkness. I'm ready to find the light within me. I have traveled.
The Pukaya show is actually referencing one of the areas around here. I wanted it to be about calling people back home, connections, and also the water and Mātatkitaki. It's one of those projects to kind of remember.